In 48 hours, normally the fermentation is done. The cucumber, when we harvest it fully ripe, is very soft and yellow. We have really waited for it to reach its maximum maturity. We will ferment them to also improve the quality of the seeds. To proceed with cleaning and retrieving the seeds, we will cut our cucumber in half. And we will empty the seeds with this kind of gelatin that surrounds them into a small bucket or a jar. If there is enough juice, we don't need to add water. You can protect the bucket or jar where you have placed your seeds to prevent gnats from settling. After that, it doesn't need to be airtight. The ambient temperature must be at least 20 degrees to start the fermentation. You will observe on the surface of the water or the surface of the juice where you have placed your cucumber seeds, a small white film will appear. So from the moment this film appears, the fermentation is usually done. If you see that the gelatin is still too thick, you can leave it for 1 more day, 2 more days, there is no problem. Once the gelatin is well decomposed, you will take your seeds and pass them through a sieve. You will put this sieve under water so that the water can wash away the waste. Next, you will place your seeds on a cloth. We prefer using cloths over papers because on papers the seeds stick. On cloths they dry very well, and afterward you just have to rub them a little and they come off easily. After cleaning them, they will be dried immediately, either a little in the sun or in a dehydrator at a low temperature. Once they have dried, they are stored in keys to completely and thoroughly complete drying for a few more days.